Gemini Omni, this is an interesting one. Turning your ideas into cinematic videos.
Cmd+AI.
A model designed to turn your imagination into reality by seemingly combining text, images, and video inputs. So it's taking videos there, obviously, and manipulating them. But also these are generated. Because they had the other, I mean, they've had VO, which is another, like all of their video products are very, very confusing. Swap details, swap styles, environment. Prompt: the lights of the apartment start turning on in sync with the music. So they've obviously provided the music here and it's turning the light on. The dim lights in the room put a black and white checkerboard room inside a glass sphere that floats, tracking above the hand. Ooh, that's a complex, I mean, it's cool though. What I did see though was Marquez Brownlee showing the unboxing video. Gemini Omni made this, right? So it's an unbox. It looks really, really good. Like the technicality looks very, very good. But as Marquez has said here, that defeats the whole purpose of watching an unboxed video. Now, I get what you're saying, but at the same time, it's like you start with the what it can do, and then it's up to creatives to actually bring an element of creativity into it, right? Maybe it's a small element of a bigger, larger edit. Like this isn't, you wouldn't release, I'm not saying that you're going to release this and this is like one and done. I think, God, you know, I think that's the lazy route to think about AI. I think you haven't played with AI long enough if you think one prompting is the, you know, what you get out of one prompt is the thing that we're going to use AI for. Let's record a video and add it. Let's see what we can do. Tune into Cmd+AI, where we talk about all things web design and dev in the world of AI. Put me in space, traveling through a wormhole. So there's my UI there. And I'm going to select anime as the style and hit that off. And off it goes. Let's pick that up in a sec. It's finished.
Engaging maximum thrust. Commencing wormhole jump.
So it didn't take my audio at all. It looks like me, which is, well, I say it looks like me. It's an anime version of me. It's me in my t-shirt and my hat that I'm wearing. But it didn't say what I wanted to say. So let me follow up with that. But you didn't say the thing that I was saying in the video.
But you didn't say the thing that I was saying in the video.
Okay. Well, it looks cool. Let's try and give you that. It looks cool. We talk about all things web design and dev in the world of AI. This is part of a larger conversation on my show, Cmd+AI, which we stream live every single week. We discuss the news and all things related to AI in the world of design and web. Catch us next week and join in the banter.
Cmd+AI.